Guangzhou Veslee Chemical Science and Technology Company Limited is an enterprise who is specialized in researching, manufacturing, and sales on all kinds of industry aerosol spray, personal care like car care products, auto paint, mold release agents, etc. It was established in 2010, which is the merger and integration of the original Guangzhou Veslee Chemical Technology Company Limited and Yingde Kunhuang Technology Company Limited. Veslee is located in the beautiful Qingyuan Overseas Chinese Industrial Park in Yingde City. The factory covers an area of about 70,000 square meters. There are more than 220 employees in the company. More than 60% employees are with college education or above. The strength of our R&D is very strong, owing to the numerous domestic and foreign chemical industry experienced expert and senior engineer. The manufacturing center has 2 standard aerosol production workshops of 2,800 square meters, 1 GMP cosmetic aerosol production workshop, and cream and liquid filling production workshop, 16 automatic aerosol production line, 3 cosmetic aerosol production lines, 8 cream and liquid filling production lines. The daily production capacity can reach 400,000 bottles. Veslee has successively passed ISO 9001 certifications. It is a high-quality global aerosol and ointment canned environmentally friendly fine chemical manufacturing base. Veslee will devote himself to the R&D of the new products and high quality by virtue of the strong technical force and financial strength to become an international famous brand in the near future.